button. So firstly we need a breadboard. Then take the push button, place it in the middle of the breadboard like this. Then take a green LED, insert it here. A positive leg is this side, negative leg this side. Again same, leave some space. Again another LED, positive leg and negative leg. Then take another LED, leave some space, positive leg this side, negative leg this side. Then connect these LEDs in series using these connecting wires. This negative leg and this positive leg should be connected. So now these two LEDs are connected in series. Same for this, negative this side, positive this side of the LED are connected now. Now the circuit is ready. Take the battery and connect it here, negative to the negative side of the LED and positive here, bottom left LED, push button, sorry. Then if you press the push button, all the LEDs glow in series, same time. So again press for longer time, the LEDs glow for the longer time, and it just goes off when you remove your when you release the push button.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future video from STEM Sun Q.